Hi there, this is Wilbert Mutoko, and I'm so excited that you have decided to tune in. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got more than 250 videos that are waiting for you free of charge. So if you subscribe to my channel and you click the notification button, then next time I upload a video, you will be the first to receive that video. All right, so in this video, I'm starting a series where I'm trying to share ideas concerning investing in shares or investing in the stock market. All right. So what I'm going to say, guys, is this. I use a website called africanmarkets.com. africanmarkets.com. I'm just sharing with you what I do, just in case it might help you. Because many people keep on asking me, they say, you know what, how do I start in shares? So for beginners, I will say this. When you are investing in shares, what you are doing is you are buying a portion of the ownership of the company. So for example, you buy shares in, let's say you are in Botswana and you buy shares in Bank ABC. All right. What it means is that you are becoming a part owner of Bank ABC. You are a shareholder, sometimes called a stockholder. And how does it work? You need to see a stockbroker. You need to see a stockbroker. There are quite a number of them, but personally, I use Stockbrokers Botswana. Stockbrokers Botswana. You can find them in the CBD. If you want more information about them, please feel free to leave a comment or to share, to like. Let me know how I can assist you. Yeah, they are in the CBD. You go see them and they can show you a number of companies that are trading. But you know, stockbrokers usually deal with people who invest a lot of money. So one thing that I can advise you is when you go to a stockbroker and you don't have a lot of money, just be patient with yourself. Don't feel like people don't want to serve you. Don't feel like people don't want to serve you. They want to serve you, but it's a numbers game. So when you bring in millions, they also make a bit of money. But if you bring 200 puller, for example, don't feel like, oh, they are not, they must take me seriously, I'm a client. No, I used to do that also. You need to humble yourself. They will serve you even if they take a bit of time. It's just normal. Stockbrokers will not be in a hurry too much to help somebody who is bringing little money. Obviously, being courteous, they won't tell you that we are not excited about a customer like you. But everything begins somewhere. You know, you start off investing little until you get to a time where the stockbrokers actually take you more seriously because they see that you are a regular investor in shares. So that being said, you want to become a part owner, of a company, then you go see a stockbroker. But before you go there, I suggest that you can look at the africanmarkets.com website. Actually, you could look at it every day. Even if you don't have money, that's a good starting point for somebody who wants to invest in shares in future. Just get used to look at the charts. All right. So the good thing about africanmarkets.com is actually that it's not just for Botswana. It also, you can search Zimbabwe, you can search South Africa, you can search Zambia. On that same website, they will show you quite a lot of information. There is also information about companies. Maybe they are going to have an AGM. It will be put there and so on. So I would say you are interested in shares. Maybe you don't have money. Maybe you have some money. The first point would be to visit this website. All right, I will show the website to you in a short while so that you can have a look at it and try to understand it. So what happens is that when you go to the stockbroker and you show that you have an understanding of what you are doing, they will appreciate you more than somebody who just gets there and you want to ask the stockbroker, what are shares? I don't think they will be very excited to help you. You need to do your own research. I wrote a book called 15 Secrets for Personal Financial Success. I think some of you already have it. Some have gotten it from me. Some have gotten it from exclusive books. They're in Airport Junction. Some have gotten it at Bala Books at Rail Park Mall. So that book, I speak a lot about investing in shares. So I will not talk too much about it here, but you can still even Google, go online, check, about shares so that you understand what shares are. This is very important because it can actually bring you money while you're not working. People will be working in a certain company and you are getting some dividends coming your way. Now, but it's also important for me to say, when you buy shares, This is a very risky investment. Never ever put all your money in shares. It's a risky investment. I think some of you know that there are some companies, like for example, if you bought shares in Choppies right now, you may not know exactly where you stand. You know, it's a risky decision that you will have made. So it's not wise for you to put all your money in shares. Shares are high risk investments. Usually when I help people, particularly those who are retiring, when they come to say, where should I put my money? What I tell them is, like, you know what, you could put 5% there. And also this thing depends on age. The older you are, or maybe if you are not feeling well, you have high blood pressure and things like that, don't put money in investments that are scary, where anything can happen. So you are likely to make a lot of money over the long term if you invest a lot of it and you are patient not to quickly sell. All right. But it's generally a high risk investment. Don't put all your money. If you have, let's say, 100,000, I would suggest, if you are a beginner, you can use 5,000. It's a good start. Don't take 50% of the money. It's not something you can quickly become rich because you have put money in shares. If you want to become rich, you need to run your own business. You need to own your own business. If you are buying shares in other people's companies, don't quickly expect that you're going to become rich. So that will be the starting point for now. Even if you don't have money, even if you have money, the starting point is to get interested, to read a bit about the stock market, read a bit about stock exchange, and visit theafricanmarkets.com. All right. Thank you so much. Let me quickly show you what I was talking about when I'm talking of theafricanmarkets.com.